You can see it has everything and anything, including gadufu, the soup. Yeah. Ooh. There's a hole here. And let me here. I showed you my flour was torn because milk poured here, so I just want to move it. I want to remove the oats because we no longer use the oats, and the good thing about these labels, they are removable. You can see they will not be reused, but at least they are removable. So I'm going to pick one. I'm going to pick this one. Let me just put on this. So we use Santa Lucia. So everything is now in the jars. Yeah. So we have pasta, we have self-raising, we have sugar, we have rice. I've decided to put a bit, but I have more stock. We have maize flour and wheat flour. We have mandazi flour. So I'm just going to add scoops like this one to make my work easy. And then we have spaghetti, pasta, and then I want to add Weetabix here. So we have the whole pack. I hope it will fit in this jar. I think we start with one pack and see, because I've never stocked them here. I'm too far from the camera. Actually, it seems like this jar can only hold one pack. But since the other pack is still sealed, it's still fine. So I will leave the other pack here. It's a whole pack, and the other whole pack has fitted here, so it's fine. So there we have it. Tea leaves, I had forgotten. So everything is now filled up. Yeah. How does it feel to have a neat pantry? This is what I want to fill today. And we have our spaghetti, I had forgotten. Yeah. So that's it for the pantry. So I have the ingredients for my recipe. We have chicken, potatoes, carrots, and green peas. The benefit of this meal is, you see this meat. This is the quantity of meat I would have used for a normal meal without accompaniment. And also what I discovered as to why our parents loved this whole combination is because you cook a lot of food with small ingredients. Carrots are not expensive. Potatoes are also not expensive. Like these potatoes, if I do my assessment, is about like 40 shin. Okay, maybe even 20, because potatoes are now slightly cheaper. The carrot could be 10 bob, and the green peas could be like 40 bob. Yeah, so with this combination, this is less than $1. So you get, and of course the meat is a bit expensive. So the more the meat, the more expensive. The other ingredients complement the meal. I don't know whether it's making sense, because I always wondered as to why our parents used to do this combo. But you know what? They made us love the combo. So I want to prepare the recipe now. So our oil is hot. We add the onions. We are going to add some salt. The other seasoning we are going to add later. So we are adding salt so that it doesn't burn. How do we say it? Yeah, so that it stops getting stuck in the pot. I don't know what it is called. We are going to add the meat, and we use this hole. Did you know the use of this hole? It's not for hanging, but for ensuring you don't mess up. Because if it's spreading all over, you get to mess up. Even when you're adding your onions, whatever you use to slice, you use that hole so that it ensures that it doesn't create a mess. Okay, so that's the first thing we are going to add, and we are going to allow it to cook for a while. Yeah. So as the chicken cooks, I'll just stir it a bit, and then add the tomatoes up here at the top, so that they cook with steam instead of grinding them too much. I feel like they are more flavorful and more sweet if I use that method. Comment down below your method of cooking tomatoes. So as you can see, our tomatoes are now cooked. You just spread them like this and they are done. Our chicken also has cooked a bit. So I have decided to start with the carrot, and I think I put too much because it was the last one available. But you know what, we'll make do. There's someone who, or there are people who complain about this meal because carrots are sweet and mingies are sweet, but you add salt. What's your take? Because me, based on it was a meal when I was growing up, I don't find it a big deal. But someone who is starting to eat now, they feel like this is mashakura. Comment down below with what you think. But I love this meal, so I have to make it once in a while. At this point, I'm going to add everything else. And the green peas. I'm not going to season the milk because of health issues. Yeah, so that will be it. And this is how our meal looks like. I have made exactly the same way it was made. Too many potatoes, too many carrots, just a little bit of green peas and a little bit of meat. Comment down below if your parents used to make this kind of meal, even if it's not specifically this one, but a mixture of everything in one pot. The only seasoning I will add is garlic powder, and so garlic powder, like you all know, I'm generous with it, and Kikkoman soy sauce. I think it's finished. I'll get some more and add because I have them in stock. And also I'm going to garnish with this. So that's everything I'm going to add. And this is red and green capsicum. Yeah, I'll show you the final products. This is the outcome of my famous stew. You can see it has everything and anything, including gadufu, the soup. Yeah, so I'm going to have chapati with this. Yes. So see you on our next one. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. And let us know what kind of videos you want us to share on this channel. Bye.